Hello again. Thanks for coming back. Much appreciated. I'm sorry for the delay. As always, there's always a delay. Sorry, it's work. It's the way life's like that at the moment, isn't it? Yeah, not enough time, too much work and not enough play. So this is only a short video, just to give you an idea what I've been up to. I've been doing little bits of an evening. Come on, just trying to experiment stuff that I was thinking I wanted to do for a while. So as you know, I do a considerable amount of 3D printing now for parts and accessories for the builds. More recently, the Thunderbird 1 cockpit chair and so on. So being a big Marvel and DC fan, I thought, I'd really like some of those 1/6 scale, 1/4 scale figurines. So I've been playing. So have a look at this.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
So, what do you think of those? I have to say, I did not create those characters. They were created by various other people. If I remember, I'll leave links to some of the files in the description. with my brain being the way it is, I'll probably forget, but I'll try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, if we can incorporate that into something going forward. Obviously, we can rescale things like that to incorporate them in future projects. So like I say, these are just experiments. I'm quite happy with them. I've put them in one of my glass cabinets, and they're probably about 95% finished at the time you're seeing it. I've did a little bit of finishing touches and trimming, as it's known apparently, and the figurine painting hobby. So they're not much different. You wouldn't notice unless I pointed out to you. But I appreciate your opinions. So let me know, and I've got a couple of other things I want to incorporate this 3D printy thing for. Can't tell you. I'll tell you soon. So between me and you. So until next time, take care.